Allow us to acknowledge as well and humbly give thanks to our instructors, Gigi and Maggie, please. Gigi, thank you for being patient with us, especially with our grooming, and for treating us like your own children. Maggie, for always being a viber away, making sure that all our concerns will be addressed, and for believing in us, most especially on days when we would think we won't make it. We thank you both for being our light at the end of the tunnel each day. Thank you for priming us from the start to becoming the strong-willed individuals standing in front of you today. Please take time to look at these wonderful individuals. They remind you and stick in your minds and hearts that they are the ones who molded us to grow and be part of the Cebu Pacific Air family. As a Cebu Pacific cabin crew, as we get our nameplates pinned today. Make us proud, and we hope we have made both of you proud today. We wouldn't be here if it's not for you.
Batch 169.
Together, let's make moments happen. See you in the skies.
#Anamors and welcome back to another episode of my vlog. So for today's video, sobrang tagal na since nag-last vlog ako and ang dami sa inyo nagre-request or nagtatanong bakit hindi ako nakapag-vlog. Well, the answer to your questions is this vlog because today, I will be able to make a new one kasi we are currently preparing for our graduation! Yes, and for those of you who are asking, si Pat, and for those of you who are asking, nawala ako because nag-training po kami sa Cebu Pacific for almost siguro mga medyo 2 months din yun. Kaya naman medyo nawala ako and I need to focus kasi feeling ko yung training sa pagiging flight attendant is not an easy task to do. So, ngayon finally and marami na akong time, thank God, and magkakasama na tayo for the rest of the siguro year or next year. Hopefully share ko sa inyo lahat ng mga bagay na pwede kong matutunan, ma-experience dito sa Cebu Pacific. But now, ngayon ipapakita ko lang sa vlog na to kung ano yung mga gagawin namin and preparation for tomorrow's graduation. But makikita nyo na tong vlog na to siguro mga months or weeks na pagkatapos ng graduation. But hey, that's it. So if you wanna know kung ano yung mga gagawin namin if you wanna know kung ano yung mga preparation na paghahandaan namin para sa tomorrow's graduation, please do keep on watching.
Okay ka pa?
Nanghihingi lang ako ng pagkain.
Wala ka bang pero?
Pera. So, mixed emotions kasi tomorrow na yun and then ngayon goal kami sa oras. Ang daming inaasikaso. Everyone is busy doing something and that's na nagpa-participate. Hopefully maayos natin to before tonight kasi mag-practice pa kami mamaya ng sayaw, ng kanta, ng lahat, ng speech and everything. Kinakabahan kasi after graduation, tuloy-tuloy na yung work, yung pasok. So hopefully ma-apply namin lahat ang pinag-aralan namin doon. And hopefully wala kami makalimutan. At the same time excited kasi pinaghirapan namin lahat ng to. And finally, ito na yun. Ito na yung pinila namin sa hiring na thousands ng applicants yun nandun. And then, ito na, andito na kami. Ito na yung simula ng success story namin.
Yan, so nandito pa rin kami sa AOC and currently we are doing our practice. Hindi ko kasi ma-video yung practice namin na practice talaga. So ako, nire-ready ko yung parang class speech namin for the graduation kasi gagawin namin na laro. So yun lang. Thankfully, nagawa naman namin siya kasi paggabi sobrang nag-practice kami na hindi namin maintindihan. Hindi na namin alam kung tama ba yung ginagawa namin. Pero ngayon naman, meron naman siyang level up game. So, I'm so happy.
Cute naman ang baby ko. Si Luja lang. Siyempre, alam mo naman.
Yeah! Wait na. Syempre, very happy because the 47 days or the training throughout, it was very hard. Talagang hindi mo ma-expect na ganun pala yung training ng cabin crew. So, syempre, very thankful that we have come this far. But But syempre naman, hindi naman kami makakarating dito if not for our instructors. So be thankful talaga for the people who guide you throughout the journey. So, bye with you soon.
Abby, nag-graduate ka na? So busy. Mga TV po. Ay, wala. Merry Christmas! Huwag kong handog ng 169. Hi, anong feeling na graduate ka na bukas? Hoy! Isang konti na lang eh.
Happy.
Happy. At the same time, grabe ka naman. Happiness lang nararamdaman mo.
Ano pa dapat? Sad?
Next month.
Tama.
Uy, kayo, Sally, ikaw ano masasabi mo nag-graduate na tayo bukas?
Take 3 ko na to, te. Okay na ako.
Mama!
Okay,
Mama!
naman to.
Nasa
Ikaw,
YouTube.
anong mararamdaman mo na nag-graduate ka na bukas?
Finally, makakasakay na ako ng aeroplano ng maraming beses.
Libre.
Libre.
Ikaw, anong mararamdaman mo na nag-graduate ka na bukas?
Excited ako mag-review. Ano daw?
Oh, ikaw, anong mararamdaman mo nag-graduate ka bukas?
May pera na ako.
Bakit lahat kayo puro pera?
Pero pera na lang daw to.
Yay! And we're almost done. Yakang pangit naman, napaka-early ko. We're almost done. Oh, Nicole, kasali ka na sa vlog ko. So, anong feeling mo nag-graduate na tayo?
Di pa siya nag-sink in eh.
Wow.
Last training day that you will have. This is the last time that you will be together. Please remember, this is not about Gigi, this is not about Maki, this is about batch 169. Okay? You owe it to yourself to give it your best. You owe it to each other to give your best. Okay? So, internalize. Isipin yung mga movements, blockings. Okay? Isipin nyo yung relief na finally tapos na kayo. Cabin crew na kayo. Okay? Kulang na lang kayo ng wings pero cabin crew na kayo. Are we clear?
Yes.
This is for you. This is about you. Okay? So kung may magkamali man, yaan nyo na. Pero sana naman, hindi naman. Hindi na bumagsak na yung program. Okay? I know you are all tired. This is the most challenging graduation I've handled. Ito lang yung graduation na binagyo na, tinown hall pa, kung ano-ano pa. Nagkasakit pa yung isa.
The unexpected
Okay?
one.
So let's make this day special for each and every one.
Yeah.
Okay? Congratulations in advance.
Thank you!
Again, no cell phone paglabas ng room A.
Yay! Graduation na! Oh my God! Yay! And finally, we're done with our preparations. In a few moments, magsa-start na kami and we're just so happy to have been successfully, anong tawag na? Natapos namin lahat! Yay! For the information of everybody, kami pala yung mga maiingis sa klase, but it's okay. What's up?
Introduce mo naman kami.
Oh, sige. Isa-isahin ko sila. Si Kate.
Hi, follow me on Instagram at KateCampX.
Wow! Si Monique.
Hi! Nilagay sa Facebook.
Hello, but I'm married. Sorry. Eugene!
Single po, single.
Prinsesa.
Ayun, so hopefully mamaya may mag-video naman. So ipapakita namin later on kung ano yung mga performance namin sa scene. See ya!